easy amigurumi, and crochet projects. Crochet with me this super easy bow. Watch my other tutorials. I would be grateful if you subscribe to my channel and like my videos. These bows are perfect for decorating toys, gift, and hair accessories. DIY kits are available in my craft store. All links are in the description below. Happy crocheting! Start with a slip knot. Then make chain 45. Cut off the yarn. Pull the yarn through the loop to secure it. Cut off remained yarn tails. Tie the bow. Thank you for watching.